While we were in Zurich, we did the Lindt Home of Chocolate Factory Tour, which I thought was awesome.
Once you walk into the House of Chocolate, you will see a giant fountain that is actually dripping chocolate. And from there, you will probably take a picture and then head upstairs to begin your tour.
The tour was pretty interesting. They actually start out by showing you how cocoa beans are farmed in like a fake forest, but it was pretty cool to walk through that. And then after we saw that, we stepped into another room or two where we learned about the history of Lindt chocolate and Swiss chocolate. And you could hear the buzz and the anticipation as we rounded the bend and got close to the chocolate making and chocolate tasting process.
So when we walked into the tasting room, there were two separate kinds of tastings you could do. One was a liquid, and there you'll get a spoon, like a plastic spoon, and you can walk around and get different types of chocolate, liquid chocolate, like the white chocolate, the dark chocolate, and the milk chocolate. Good.
It's amazing.
As you walk back further, you'll see these really cool, like sci-fi kind of machines that you stick your hand underneath and then you'll get actual pieces of chocolate. And there were various types along there as well. And I think you could probably stay in there and take as much as you wanted while walking around.
Near the end of the tour, you get some nice gifts. The first place is like this huge truffle counter, and you get one of every one of their truffles, which is pretty sweet. And then you really like the little gift at the very end.
The machine, the conveyor belt machine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's like a little Rube Goldberg machine contraption, but it was super cool.
Yeah, it was very interactive. You just watch the candy go, and there's like a video of a lady, and she catches the ball and then drops down a real piece of chocolate, which was very cool.
Yeah, and then when you're done, you sort of feed into a gift shop like you do at every tour in the world. But it was a cool gift shop, right?
It was, yeah. They had a counter where you could buy like a slab of chocolate, and you could customize it if you wanted to give it as like a wedding present or, whatever, some kind of a present.
Or to your husband to thank him for taking you to the
Yes.
factory tour.
Or to your wife for letting you go.
And then our last stop was the cafe, which featured a lot of Lindt chocolate products. And your favorite was which one?
The hot chocolate.
Yeah, the hot chocolate was amazing. All right, so that wraps up our tour. Just to give you an idea, it cost 17 Swiss francs, which is sort of like 19 or 20 US dollars per person. And you should definitely buy tickets in advance because they do sell out kind of frequently. But you had a couple of other tips.
Yeah, make sure when you go at the end there, you get those truffles. Make sure you grab one of each truffle. I don't think they tell you can, but you can. And there's also a little place where you can take a picture. So make sure you stop there and get your picture taken.
All right. All right, that's it. That's our tour of the Lindt Home of Chocolate. Highly recommended next time you're in Switzerland, at least in the Zurich area. Check it out.
Thanks for stopping by. If you like what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up, and we'd love it if you subscribe to the Sunshine Vagabonds channel below. Thanks.